I call the case of the people of the state of Michigan versus Stephen Edward Laverdure. This is file 1922988. Mr. Macquio is the attorney for Mr. Laverdure. Mr. Gabry is the prosecutor in the case. He's the chief assistant prosecutor here in the county. This case was set for a plea today at 10 o'clock after the court received notice from defense counsel that he had met with his client and his client had wished to take advantage of the plea offer that was made. It is set for trial next Tuesday, or it was set for trial next Tuesday. When I received word that there was going to be a plea and it was confirmed, I told the clerks to excuse the jurors so they could enjoy their weekend and not worry about this. And so therefore the jurors have been excused for trial for next week. Mr. Macquio, where is Mr. Laverdure?
Your Honor, after our meeting yesterday and the plea agreement was worked out, I contacted my client and after the court scheduled the plea date and emailed him a copy of the notice, had a phone conversation with him telling him he needed to be in my office at 9:45 this morning. With the notice that I sent him yesterday, I also sent an email which in bold letters and told him to be here at 9:45 today in my office. When he was not here by 10, I texted him, tried to call him and left a voicemail message and also emailed him to see where he is, and I have not had a response yet. At this point, I'm not sure where he is or what the issue is. I guess the only thing I could do is let the court know if he contacts me sometime today. I will contact the court to see if we have any time this afternoon where we could do this, or perhaps Monday. But at this point, I'm not sure where he is, Your Honor.
Okay. This is not the first time that Mr. Laverdure has done this for a status conference or something else. He continually has been late or not shown up for status conferences, not shown up for appointments with his attorney. He was to meet with you to prepare for trial yesterday, and I was notified after that meeting that it was resolved. Therefore, I'm going to ask a bench warrant be issued and he be arrested. His bond is canceled, and we will deal with him when he is taken into custody. If you are able to get a hold of him, and Mr. Macquio, and if Mr. Gabry is still willing to make this offer, maybe we could do it yet today, but I am busy this afternoon with sentencings. But there's no, that agreement's not effective unless he took advantage of it, and he hasn't taken advantage of it. So at this point, I'm just going to issue a warrant. I'd ask Mr. Gabry to get that. There's no need to wait the 48 hours. This has been more than once that he has not shown up for court, and he has imposed on the court by me releasing all those jurors that we were set to go with. I feel gamesmanship is going on here, and so now if he has a valid reason why he didn't appear today for his hearing, I'll listen to it, obviously, but for right now, the pattern that he has shown in this case in its entirety is that it's yet another example of him not taking this as serious as he should. So with that, Mr. Macquio, get a hold of him as soon as possible, but that warrant will be